All right, guys, wanted to do a quick review here for you on these running boards that I got off of Amazon, just to show you the quality of these things. First off, installation is extremely simple. I did them myself, one person. It took me about 20 minutes aside. There's already pre-drilled holes inside of the frame. You just have to pull out a couple plugs, and the screws fit right in. So if you had two people, you could do it even faster. But again, I did it in 20 minutes aside. Really, really simple. But now that they're installed, I really like these things. The quality is great, and the looks are amazing. I really liked how it's not just your normal flat running board. You can see it has the holes on both sides here. This one's a little bit longer for the front door, so you have a little longer one on the front door, a little shorter one on the back door. And it's all metal, nothing's plastic. It has like a 3-layer protection, it says, for it's like powder coated, rust proof, all of that, so it's not going to rust, chip, start flaking or anything like that. So all metal throughout, just so you can see each step here. This one is the big one for the front door. You can see really nice and thick, easy to get up into. Saves you a foot of jumping up into the truck. So, and again, they're super solid. They actually hold up to 600 pounds. So you can have two people on, one on that one and one on this step. You're not going to have any problems. So that's that step. This middle one is the one I really like. So if you're going to put a storage compartment or something on the top of your truck, this is a step 2. So you can step up and get onto the roof of your truck, clean the roof of your truck, put a storage thing or anything like that. That one right there, and then the last one's a little shorter one. Same exact thing, easy to get in and out of here. Hop in the truck, super easy. So I absolutely love these things. They look cool on the truck too. You can see how nice they look. Again, they're not just that boring flat running board. So really, really happy with these things. Super easy installation, great quality. I would definitely recommend them. I've had other running boards that just aren't this good of quality. So super happy with them. Hope it stops anyone looking at these.